Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is my 16 by 20 inch pre-primed matte black canvas, and I want to prep this for adding some interference colors. And I think I'm just going to add medium black in dollops and then move it around, so I have something that's not matte black in the background. And I don't mind if there's still some matte canvas left. I'm going to use my silicone rubber brushes. I hope they work the way I expect them to. Okay, so I'm back, and it's probably at least an hour later, and this is all dry, sans things in the air that dropped on it. And I'm going to use my favorite interference as, because they all are. I tried to pick favorites and I couldn't. I'm going to start with the violet, and I'm going to put it everywhere I think it ought to go. And usually I would dribble, but what I'm thinking is I'm just going to dot the blue. And I'm going to try and pull from the inside out just like I did a moment ago. We'll start with this. That's looking pretty cool. That makes me want green. Even though I love the gold, I think the green has to be next. You can actually see the colors. And I'm sure, since they're thin enough, I can probably pull them out over each other. It looks like I could drag through the middle of them with like my nail art tool. Or even do what I said I was thinking about doing and put some texture in. It's a pretty simple concept. I'm liking the square ends a lot. They're a lot safer than the other alternative. I'm thinking I still want some gold. Interference gold. Originally I wanted that. I might just go for all the colors. Yes, smaller dots mean smaller marks. And these I'm going to leave round. I still want the red. I just love them all. Simple concept. If I varnish this, the black in the background won't show up anymore. Because it's only the difference between matte black and shiny black. I kind of think gold dots. But if I put gold dots in there, they're going to have to be something like Decor Americana. How many dots is too many dots? I kind of want red violet. Is that weird? I've just changed my mind about everything. And I shouldn't have put the dots in until after I decided that. I make a pretty Christmas card, strangely enough, even with a black background. I'm liking that. Do I need a little bit more? I love how subtle the green is, and it looks Christmassy green. Kind of wondering if I should have put some white in. And I'm worried that the Red Violet VIF Intense Fluorescent will disappear. I can put silver in. I didn't even think of that until I saw it just then. And that'll make it even more Christmassy. We are approaching the holidays after all. I have to leave it just as it is for now. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Wow. I do think the black that I added at first makes a big difference. Looks like some sort of celestial event right now from up here. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.